everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing my latest Misfits Market order, and I didn't open it already. It came delivered like that. This side is still taped down, but this side is flapped up. So we'll see what's in here. But first, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon right next to it so you never miss a video. And if you're not new here, but you like watching my videos, just go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board with me. Okay, let's get this box open. I did do some customizing on this, and I picked up some additional items from the marketplace as well. It looks a little light and a little disheveled, but we'll see. We'll see what's in here. So again, I had the problem with getting into customized. I'm usually working at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm on the ice with my skaters at the rink because that's after school. So I usually work from about 4 to 8. So I can't get on to customize when everybody else can. So I'm really jealous of you people that can. And somebody suggested to me that I just give my skaters a warm up and do my customization. Well, it doesn't really work that way. These are private lessons and you're being paid by the parents literally by the minute. So you can't just give them something to do and walk away and take care of something personal. When you're on the ice, you're responsible for those skaters and your insurance covers any injuries. So I would be neglecting them and not to mention taking advantage of parents if I did that. So I guess I just have to deal with the customization as it is, but thank you for the suggestions. Okay, let's see what we got here. So I got some Health Warrior Chia bars, and I got these because I had gotten some other things from Health Warrior that I have over there in my mess of a pantry, and I got them from Costco. So I recognize the brand, and I like the brand. I'm not really a fan of all the ingredients in here. There's some brown rice syrup, some natural flavors, but sometimes we have to pick and choose. And because I'm often on the go, I do like to have what I call snacky snacks with me. So this is probably okay as long as I don't eat 5 of them. Each bar has 100 calories. Each bar has 3 grams of sugar, and only 3 of those grams are added. And remember, we want to try to keep our sugar under 9 grams. So I think this is okay. I got some pumpkin spice cookies. We've tried these before. These are the Partake Soft Bake, and they are school safe and top 8 allergen free. They have 9 grams of total sugar. Sorry, I can't see. 8 grams of that are added sugars, and that's in 3 cookies. So I say that's pretty good. And what they're using in here is gluten-free flour, blah, 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 blah. Non-GMO sunflower oil, which is good. The sugar looks like it's from organic cane sugar and organic molasses. That's not terrible. Some apple juice concentrate. It doesn't say organic. Some fair trade cane sugar. Some fructose, which I'd rather not see. So, I mean, again, it's not perfect. But as long as you're not eating these every day, and as long as you're not, say, on my 10-day detox, which, by the way, there's a link in the description down below to my 10-day detox program. It's available on my website at aimeericca.com/programs, along with my 28-day transformation. So as long as you're not on my 10-day detox or my 28-day transformation, you would be okay to have these once in a while, or maybe the cheat meal, because we don't do cheat days, we do cheat meals on the 28-day transformation. There's 140 calories, and my programs, we don't count calories, we count portion sizes, but these are not going to kill you. At least not if you eat them in moderation. And then we got the vanilla sugar cookie ones too. These also are 140 calories and have 8 grams of added sugar, and it's about the same as the other one. Again, the ingredients aren't perfect. I would not stamp this with my approval, but in moderation, this is certainly better than getting a Starbucks treat or Chips Ahoy or something like that. So, you know, be smart about it, and in moderation, you can have things like this once you get your body back in gear. So look at those programs on my website if you want. They're really great to get you started. If you eat right 80 or 90% of the time, that's what matters. Pea shoots, these look a little wilted. Let's see, what's the expiration date? January 9th. And today is, what, today's the 4th? Why don't I know what today is? Today is, oh, I was right. Today's the 4th. So these have about 5 days on them. I'd like to see a little bit more, but that's okay. We have an orange. See, I really wish they didn't just throw this stuff in here like this. Some green beans. These don't look too great. And I think it's interesting that when we get C&B green beans from Misfits, they don't have a pack by label on the bottom. And they always look a little brown because when we get them from Worthy Flavors, they're beautiful. And it's probably because Worthy Flavors is the original source of these. Girls! I don't know why they do this every time I'm unboxing something. So, C&B Farms is one of the founding farms for Worthy Flavors. So when we got these same green beans from them, they're usually in better shape and fresher. We got some peppers. Oh, wow, that's interesting. See, and this is where the packaging comes into play. So let me show you. So, I mean, when you toss everything into a box like this, and it's literally tossed into a box, you're gonna, like, see stuff like that happen. And see, there's part of the pepper there. But, I mean, this is gonna happen when you toss things into a box. And what's funny is last time this happened, they told me that if I didn't send pictures, I wasn't gonna get a credit. And I was like, don't they realize that I document all my deliveries on YouTube? Like, you think they would make a note of that in my customer comments in my file, but I guess they don't. So we're going to put this over here so I can follow the instructions that the customer service people gave me to take a picture of anything that's damaged. Another pepper. So 2 peppers are good. Another orange. This is good. Have some golden beets, and I think I'm going to make a salad with these. These look really nice. Oh, another, lots of peppers. How do you do something with some peppers? Another orange. So I got to do something with peppers and oranges. Funny with a box. Some cilantro. I really wish. Every time I go in there, all the parsley's gone. I get the cilantro, and that's okay. But I'd prefer parsley. So if you can get the parsley every week, I'm really jealous. And try to leave a little bit for me by the time I can get in there at 8:30 at night. Some scallions. And these are very short. And they're going to need a good washing because there's a lot of dirt on them. More scallions. And these aren't looking so good. Some mushrooms. These look good. Baby Bella mushrooms. Some more cilantro. Some more scallions. Yeah, these scallions are not looking great, guys. What do you think? Another orange. I think part of it, too, is I've been spoiled by Worthy Flavors. Well, aside from the box that FedEx held on to for 6 days, all their stuff is such good quality that when I get things from Misfits that is all banged up and beaten and thrown in a box, it's a little frustrating. Some green lettuce. Now, these scallions are in good shape. So there's one that's in good shape. Wow, there's a lot of oranges in here. Some more lettuce. This looks like romaine. Oh, maybe a short squatty romaine or just green leaf. Very dirty. So this is going to need a good bath. Oh, wow, there's lots of stuff under here. Wow. Some summer squash. Oh, see, look. This happened last time I got summer squash. But again, this is what happens when you kind of just toss everything in a box. Like, I don't know. I don't know why they do that. Some cucumbers, seedless cucumbers. Oh, and that one is smashed. I think we're having some sort of salad for dinner. I think that would be nice. A beet. Ooh, beet salad. That sounds like a good idea. Some potatoes, and these look like, I don't remember what I got. I'm going to have to look on the thing. These look like russets, or this one looks like a russet. This one looks like a Yukon Gold. Not sure. Some ginger, some nice looking ginger. A beautiful grapefruit. I love grapefruit. Some more ginger. Wow. Some more of the chia bars. These are apple cinnamon, and these are 3 grams of sugar, and there's 15 in here. This one only had 5. So this is a bigger box. And this is 3 grams of sugar, 2 grams of added sugar. Again, these are not ideal, but they're much better than some of the alternatives for snacky snacks that you can stick in your bag. Oh, so these are Yukon Gold. So there's a couple Yukon Gold potatoes, it looks like. And then a couple of russet potatoes too. Interesting. Okay. That's why I was confused. Look at them tiny. And another grapefruit. That's a good looking grapefruit. Another potato. And another squash. So this is what we're looking at. This is what we got. My sink is pretty full. And then we have these things over here that need some help. Okay, so what do you guys think? I'm putting my receipt up here so you can have a look and tell me what you think value for dollar. Do you think this is worth what I paid? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you're interested in ordering from Misfits Market, there's a link in the description down below where you can get a discount on your order. It varies. Sometimes it's 20% off, sometimes it's up to 50% off. So click through that link and place your order and you could save a lot of money on your first order. So do that if you're thinking of getting an order from Misfits. And remember, if you like this video or you think this could help somebody else, give it a like, share it with your friends on social media, and remember to subscribe and tap that bell so that you never miss a video. I post at least 3 videos a week, sometimes usually more, and at least one of them is an unboxing, so you don't want to miss any of them. That's all for now. This is Amy. I will see you real soon. Bye!